equitystrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Greedy with a quick look at the markets for today, Friday, March 28th. We have a pretty busy day coming up, starting at 9:30 GMT when we have GDP data coming out from the United Kingdom, which could generate some volatility in the pound and in British stocks. Then at 10 o'clock GMT, we have consumer confidence from the Eurozone, which also could be expected to generate some volatility. At 12:30 GMT, we have personal income, personal spending, and consumption from the United States. Consumers are a key component of the American economy, so investors are going to be putting a lot of attention here. Then at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we have Consumer Price Index, CPI, from Germany. This is a key component for the Eurozone and the Euro. And in past data releases, when there's been a miss over expectations, we've seen some strong volatility as a response to the Consumer Price Index from Germany. Then at 1:55 in the afternoon, we have the University of Michigan Consumer Confidence Survey for the United States. Moving over to the stocks, S&P 500 dropped by 0.2% yesterday. However, a lot of this drop was driven by stocks that have been performing pretty well over the last couple of months. So so the expectation is that this was mostly due to profit taking. Outlook during the Asian session was a little bit more optimistic, despite having some negative news released from China. This is mostly driven by expectations that the Chinese government is going to intervene and provide some support for the economy. And going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading up by 0.2%. The euro continues to move further on the downside, which we could expect that the interest of the policymakers to push it further down is actually having some results. It's currently trading just at support here at 137, just a hair above that. Below that, we have support at 136.50 and resistance at 137.80. The pound continued to move higher today, but we have some news coming out today that might generate some volatility here. It moved above 166.10, which is now a new support, and then we have resistance at 166.80. The yen continues to trade sideways, pretty much around 102.30. On the downside, we have support at 101.30 and resistance at 102.75. And finally, we have gold, which continued to move on the downside as we expected. It's still above our next level of support at 1,280, and we have resistance at 1,310. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.